The universe always has your back. Law of affirmations. What are affirmations? Affirmations are powerful, positive statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind. They work by replacing limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts, aligning your energy with the reality you truly want to attract. Think of your mind as a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. If you plant seeds of doubt and negativity, that's what will grow. But if you plant seeds of confidence, success, and abundance, your reality will reflect that. Your words are energy. Every affirmation you speak sends a vibration into the universe, and the universe responds accordingly. When you affirm positivity, you set in motion the forces of attraction, drawing opportunities, growth, and abundance into your life. How do affirmations work? Affirmations work through repetition and emotion. When you consistently repeat positive statements with genuine belief, they become ingrained in your subconscious. This rewiring influences your decisions and actions, aligning them with your goals. Science backs this up. Studies in neuroscience show that affirmations activate the brain's reward centers, boosting confidence and motivation. The more you practice, the stronger your neural pathways become, making positivity your natural state. Think about it. Negative self-talk creates stress and doubt. Just as negativity weighs you down, affirmations uplift and empower, building a mindset of resilience and self-belief. How to use affirmations effectively. 1. Be present and specific. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful and attract abundance every day." 2. Use emotion. Feel the affirmation as if it's already true. Emotion amplifies its power. 3. Repeat daily. Say them in the morning, before bed, and whenever you need a boost. 4. Write them down. Journaling deepens your connection with your affirmations. 5. Say them in the mirror. This builds confidence and strengthens self-belief. 6. Speak with conviction. Your tone matters. Say your affirmations with certainty and belief. 7. Pair with visualization. Picture yourself living your dream life as you say your affirmations. Affirmations aren't just words, they're declarations of what you're manifesting into reality. By affirming your worth, success, and happiness, you create an internal environment that attracts exactly what you deserve. Let's affirm together. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I attract positivity and success into my life. My dreams are within reach, and I am ready to receive them. Every day, I am growing, evolving, and becoming my best self. I release all doubts and step into my power with confidence. The universe is working in my favor, and all that I need is already within me. How did that feel? Let me know in the comments which affirmation resonated with you the most. The power of commitment. Affirmations are not a one-time practice. They require consistency and faith. The key is to trust the process, even when you don't see immediate results. Just like a seed takes time to grow into a tree, your affirmations need time to manifest. Keep nurturing them, and soon you'll witness the transformation. Some people write their affirmations on sticky notes and place them on their mirrors or workspaces. Others use affirmation apps or record their own voice repeating positive statements. Find what works best for you and integrate affirmations into your daily routine. The more you affirm your greatness, the more you will experience it. With every positive word you speak, you rewrite the narrative of your life. Affirmations are a powerful tool to align your energy with your desires. Start using them daily and watch how your life transforms. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of Aura and You. Thank you for being here. And remember, Your words shape your reality. Stay positive, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.